Hi, my name is Eric Lee, and I'm a Senior Deployment Specialist at Central Nervous Systems. In this video, we will record AP expenses to charge to projects. It is quite common to have non-PO purchases for materials and services charged to corporate accounts. Therefore, our workflow begins when a vendor invoice is received. I will log into Acumatica as admin and go to the Payables workspace. Next, I used a quick link to add a new record for AP bills and adjustments. For organizations with multiple companies and branches, choose the correct entity to make sure the bill is mapped appropriately. In the summary section of the form, I'll add our vendor, followed by the invoice number in the reference field. Next, we go to the Document Details tab and enter invoice lines. Notice the system populates the branch field based on the company and branch we are in. Items set up with master records can be retrieved using Inventory ID. The benefit of using default items is to apply predetermined GL account numbers. For example, we rented a project trailer. I type equip to search for the right item and allow the system to fill in the expense account and sub-account. Since we are charging this expense to a project, I'll specify the project ID and task. And I'll also specify an informative description for this line. Here, I will change it to project trailer rental. Next, I will capture the quantity. Since we rented it for 4 weeks, I'll enter 4, unit of measure being week, and the unit cost on the invoice being $3.25 per week. For one-off items, say there is $80 for delivery and handling, we can add a new line and populate the fields manually. I'll make sure I book it to the correct account. And also to the project. Notice the warning next to the extended cost field. The system provides feedback that we have exceeded the available budget for that project task and expense item. Since we have enabled AP approval, I'll take the bill off hold to start the approval process. In this case, it will route to the project manager to review the bill and acknowledge the over budget. I will approve the bill so that we can move on from here. Once approved, AP can release the bill. The system generates the AP subledger entries and posts them to the GL and the project. To see the result, we go to the project. And let's track down the task with equipment rental. Here in the cost budget, on this line for equipment rental against our execution task, we see the original budget of 1,280. Over to the right, we see the actual amount of 1,391 from the AP bill, and we also see the variance amount on this line. This concludes the steps to create AP expenses for projects. To see how we capture non-PO expenses using expense claims, please check out our other video.